Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I want to talk to you about one of the most lucrative ways to make money online, dropshipping. For those of you who are new to this concept, dropshipping is a method of selling products online without actually holding any inventory. When a customer places an order on your website, you buy the product from a supplier who then ships it directly to the customer. This means that you don't have to worry about storing or handling any products, and you only pay for the items that you sell. If you want Andrew Tate's course, hit me up on my Instagram. Now, there are two ways to make money with dropshipping: paid advertising and organic traffic. Let's start with paid advertising. This method is for people who have a budget for advertising their products on different social media platforms, such as Facebook ads, TikTok ads, and Instagram Reels. The advantage of paid ads is that you can target your customers based on demographics, interests, and behaviors. If you have around $2,000 to spare, then you can start with paid advertising. If you don't know how to get started, don't worry. I will provide you with a course that will teach you how to build your store, customize it, and more. The second and most popular way of starting a dropshipping business is through organic traffic. This means that you don't pay for any advertising, but instead, you rely on social media platforms and search engines to drive traffic to your website. Let's take an example of a guy who makes videos with his monkey. If we check his profile, it's full of monkey videos, and he has millions of followers. Let's take another example. I'm sure you have seen the door closer video on TikTok. If we check his profile, it's full of his product, and he has made a fortune by dropshipping it. You can do the same. The first step in starting a dropshipping business is to choose a niche. There are many niches to choose from, but some of the most popular ones include health and wellness, beauty products, home decor, pet products, and baby products. For example, in the health and wellness niche, you can dropship gym and boxing equipment. Let's take an example. You can sell this boxing reflex ball that you can buy for $1 and sell it for $25. Another popular niche is beauty products such as skincare, makeup, and hair care products. In the home decor niche, you can sell wall art, decorative items, and furniture. One product that went viral on TikTok is the air humidifier, and people made millions by dropshipping it. You have to keep searching for the right products to sell at the right time. If you don't know how to find products, don't worry, I will teach you how. Moving on to the pet products niche, this includes items such as pet food, toys, grooming supplies, and pet accessories. Let's watch this video. If you have a dog, you can order one of these toys and make videos with it, and I guarantee it will make you lots of money. And last but not least, the baby products niche. This includes items such as baby clothes, toys, and accessories. People love to buy gifts for newborn babies, so this is a great niche to consider. If you don't know how to find dropshipping products, open TikTok. Search Amazon Finds or TikTok Made Me Buy It. There are tons of products. Go to filter and choose the most liked, and choose a good product from this. In conclusion, dropshipping is a great way to start an online business without having to hold any inventory or worry about shipping. Whether you choose to go with paid advertising or organic traffic, there are many niches to choose from, and with the right product and strategy. Subscribe my channel for more video about how to earn.